I am Patience Bentu, and I'm a Nigerian living in Wales, and I've come to feel very much a part of the Welsh community. But sometimes people like me face discrimination, marginalization, or racism on account of the grounds that I look different, or I sound different, or the color of my skin is different. But you know what? Different is good. I love Wales, and I'm very proud to be raising my son in Wales. He plays football for his local community, and he loves a kickabout in the park with his friends. So, what does this mean to us? It means we need to keep racism out of Wales. So are you an organization or an individual? Do you work in the public, private, or third sectors? If you are, then please sign up today to Race Council Cymru's Zero Tolerance to Racism policy. Sign up today and let's keep racism out of Wales in this generation.